Today, we'll be taking a look at the run capacitor and start device on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we must first remove this rear bottom cover. It's held on by multiple 1/4-inch screws. And there should be all of them. We're going to pull out on the cover. Nope, we have one more at the top there. Get that last one, slide it down, and set the cover to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our start device and run capacitor. Now the main reason why you would need to replace these components is if the unit is not cooling. Generally, what would happen is you'll hear the compressor make a humming noise, followed by a click, indicating that the compressor is not starting. In order to check your start device, what I would do is press in on this metal rod to detach your clip. Let it fall down here, then pull off on the start device. Now, on the bottom, you have a Molex connector right here. You will use a small flat blade or a tack puller just to separate and lift up. Now at this point, a lot of times bad start devices will make kind of a rattling noise and it'll be kind of loud. So what you'll do is you'll shake it, listen for a rattle, see if anything pours out of the terminal holes. If it does, it's a good indication that this is bad. Go ahead and set it to the side. When installing your new start device and run capacitor, first we will install the run capacitor. We will put in the terminals and slide the pole in the designated spot on the run cap. Slide it into place. Now what I'll do is reinstall the wiring here. There we go. Now prior to installing your start device, let's go ahead and put the clip on the very bottom ledge and just let it kind of rest there so it's in place. And then you'll see you have 3 poles on the start device that will correspond with the 3 poles on the compressor. So let's get it into place, slide it on, get our wiring, make sure it's hooked on the bottom, and bring that pole up, press in, lock it in place. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling the back cover, first we're going to slide in the side with the power wire, and then bring this up over the valve. Just kind of drop it in place here. Then we're going to start on the top. Get a couple of these screws. Let's do the strain reliever here. Do not do that one too tight, as you can damage the water line. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.